Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 14, that is transformation of sentences 1. So, let's begin with this lesson. We have learned about words, phrase, clause, and sentence. Yes, हम इन चारों के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं already. We can expand words into phrase and phrases into clause. हम words को phrases में expand कर सकते हैं और phrases को clause में expand कर सकते हैं. Also, we can contract clause into phrase and phrases into words. और हम clause को phrase में contract कर सकते हैं और मतलब contract में छोटा कर सकते हैं और phrase को word में कर सकते हैं. By doing so, we can transform sentence into number of ways. इस ऐसे करके हम sentence को बहुत सारे ways में transform कर सकते हैं. To change the sentence from one grammatical form to another without changing its sense and meaning is known as transformation of the sentence. जो हम change करते हैं किसी भी एक sentence को या किसी भी एक form को दूसरी form में grammatical form में उसको हम क्या कहते हैं transformation of sentences कहते हैं. Transformation of sentences is an excellent exercise in learning to express an idea in several different ways. ये best exercise है express करने के idea को different ways में से it all leads to a variety in written and spoken English. ये variety में lead करता है कि written और spoken English में. So interchange of parts of speech. So by changing a word into a noun. So let's begin. The shirt costs 500 rupees. The cost of the shirt is 500 rupees. इस शर्ट की कॉस्ट थी 500 rupees है. इस तरीके से लिख दिया. The cost of the shirt is 500 rupees. She solved the sums easily. She solved the sums with ease. She is very careful about her work. She does her work with great skill. Now, by changing a word into an adjective, एक वर्ड को एक एडजेक्टिव में चेंज करके भी कर सकता है. दिस चेयर इज मेड ऑफ वुड. दिस इज अ वुडन चेयर. शी sang beautifully. He sang a beautiful song. The morning breeze refreshes one. The morning breeze is refreshing. Now by changing a word into an adverb, एक word को adverb में भी change करके कर सकते हैं. The robbers were beaten without mercy. The robbers were beaten mercilessly. She walked around with grace. She walked around gracefully. She drove the car with great care. He drove the car very carefully. By changing a word into a verb. He did not do it intentionally. He did not intend doing it. He forcibly entered the room. He forced his way into the room. The clown provided us enough amusement. The clown amused us a lot. Now, removing the adverb, तुम adverb को remove भी कर सकते हैं. Like, these shirts are too cheap to be good. हम यहाँ क्या कहते हैं? These shirts are so cheap that they cannot be good. So that these cannot be good. She is too weak to move about. She is so weak that she cannot walk. The music was too loud not to be heard. The music was so loud that it could be heard well. Now, inserting the adverb, तो हम adverb को insert भी कर सकते हैं. She is so clever that she cannot be cheated. She is too clever to be cheated. The case is so clear that it does not require any witness. The case is too clear to require any witness. The load is so heavy that it cannot be lifted. The load is too heavy to lift. Now, interchange of degrees of comparison. हम degrees of comparison को भी change कर सकते हैं. Positive comparative में superlative में like sentence belonging to one degree of comparison can be changed to another degree. जो sentence एक degree of comparison belong कर रहा है वो दूसरी degree में change हो सकता है without changing the meaning. Like Ravi is as strong as Asif. Asif is not stronger than Ravi. Priya is not so slim as Rita. Rita is slimmer than Priya. Butter is not costlier than cheese. Cheese is at least as costly as butter. Few wrestlers are as strong as Kali. Kali is stronger than most of the wrestlers. No other wrestler is so strong as Kali. Kali is stronger than any other wrestler. Janet is most Jannat is most beautiful girl in the town. Superlative आ गया. Most आ गया ना. Superlative आ गया. Janet is more beautiful than any other girl in the town. Now, no girl, no girl in the town is so beautiful as Janak. So Bangalore, few cities in India are as clear as Bangalore. Bangalore is cleaner than most of the towns in India. Now, ये क्या आपके पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस है? उत्तर प्रदेश, अब ये कंपैरेटिव आ गया। उत्तर प्रदेश इज मोस्ट पॉपुलेटेड, मोस्ट आ गया तो क्या हो गया? ये सुपरलेटिव हो गया। पॉपुलेटेड स्टेट इन इंडिया। उत्तर प्रदेश इज मोर पॉपुलेटेड स्टेट एंड देन एनी अदर स्टेट इन इंडिया। ये क्या हो गया? कंपैरिजन हो गया ना, देन आ गया। नो अदर स्टेट इन इंडिया इज सो पॉपुलेटेड एज आएगा यहाँ पे उत्तर प्रदेश। Milk is not the most nutritious drink. Milk is not more nutritious than some other drinks. ये क्या है? तो comparative हो गया. Some other drinks are perhaps more nutritious than milk. ये भी comparative है. Now some other drinks are not less nutritious than milk. ये भी comparative है. Some other drinks are at least as nutritious as milk. ये positive हो गया. Peach is not one of the most popular food. Peach जो आपका popular fruit नहीं है, most आ गया. ये आपका superlative हो गया. Many other fruits are more popular than peach. Comparative हो गया. Peach is less popular than any other fruits. Comparative है ये भी. Peach is not so popular as red and many other fruits. हो गया आपका positive degree. Now interchange of negative at affirmative sentence. Negative क्या होता है? जैसे no, not, never आ जाता है. Affirmative जो होता है जिनमें नहीं होता. It is possible to cross the river. Affirmative है, इसे आप negative में कैसे करते हैं? It is not possible to cross the river. यहाँ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो रही है ना सेंटेंसेस में. नाउ द रेजर इज शार्प, द रेजर इज नॉट ब्लंट. शी अटेंड द एक्स्ट्रा क्लास, शी डिड नॉट fail to attend the extra class. She was quite sure about it. She was not at all unsure about it. He is stronger than me. I am not as strong as him. Rita is best girl in the class. No other girl in the class is as good as Rita. Now, as soon as police came, the thieves ran. No sooner did the police came than the thieves ran. I was doubtful of her victory. I was not sure of her victory. We should tell the truth. We should never tell lies. Everyone is in the room. There is no one outside. She is too weak to stand up. She is so weak that she cannot stand up. The teacher likes her all peoples equally well. The teacher does not like any of the other people more than others. The fridge is empty. There is nothing in the fridge. Reena is walking. Reena is not running or walking. Interchange of interrogative in assertive sentence. Interchange कैसे होता है? Interrogative का और assertive sentence. Interrogative क्या होता है? जिसमें questions पुट होते हैं. She has finished her work. Has she finished her work? क्या होता था? Work finish कर लिया, ये आपका interrogative हो गया. First वाला आपका assertive है. Now old people don't like noise. Don't old people like noise? ये आपका interrogative sentence हो गया. You were told to wash clothes. Were you not told to wash clothes? Brave soldiers never die. Do the brave soldiers ever die? Everybody wants to live a comfortable life. Who does not want to live a comfortable life? It does not matter if I am absent. What if I am absent? It does not matter though we are weak. What though we are weak? It is foolish to put hot milk in the fridge. Why put hot milk in the fridge? I can tolerate it no longer. How can I tolerate it no longer? I was not chosen to harm any fellows. Was I chosen to harm any fellows? Interchange of exclamatory and assertive sentences. How beautiful the dawn is. Exclamatory sentence को assertive में करना है हमें. Dawn is beautiful. What a beautiful flower rose is. Rose is very beautiful flower. That's it, that we should meet after years. It is strange that we should meet after so many years. Oh, that were a fish. I wish that I were a fish. I wish that I were a fish. Alas, she died. अब ऐसा दिन में कैसे करेंगे इसको? It is sad that she died. That a soldier shouldn't show his bag! Exclamatory है. It is shameful that a soldier should show his bag. ये आपका assertive हो गया. Now, interchange of principal and subordinate clauses. और प्रिंसिपल और सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉजेस को कैसे इंटरचेंज करते हैं. The man who built this house had died today. This house was built by man who had died today. No sooner did the principal come in than we stood up. We stood up as soon as the principal came in. The robbers did not give in till they were all dead. The robbers were all dead for me. I never go to a place which I don't like. I always go to a place which I like. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you like the explanation of this lesson. See you in the next class.